This midweek, I worked to the accuracy of my players' behavior. I randomized the tiger's position. They can now act two behaviors. One is when player is on it, and the other is when player is on other tiger. They can hunt food. I'm working now with the enemy. This midweek didn't give me enough space to do more. Thank you.
Hello, this is Sabbir Ahmed. For this week, I have sketched the environment map and edited our journal videos and uploaded that in our channel Pentagon. Next week, I will design the 3D environment map by using Unity Game Engine, Blender and Photoshop. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Hasibur. Since this was midweek, I did not do much, but I added more sounds for the menu screen. Thank you.
Hello, I am Naurin Azad from Group 5. In this week, as our mid was running, so we couldn't work so much, I helped Sabbir Ahmed in the map designing sector. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sardar Muktadir ibn Mohsen. For this is our midweek, so I had very little time. I have done some bug fixes and very little modification to some game objects.